Hello everybody, welcome to Spicer channel. Today we are going to make chicken methi curry. So we have 1 pound of chicken in here, boneless and skinless chicken. We have today 3 types of leaves in this plate. We have methi, 1 whole bunch of methi, 1 bunch of coriander leaf and 1 bunch of mint leaf. Methi leaf is fenugreek leaf. It's very good for that. It's a very good leaf to cool down your body. So we use methi leaf in this dish. And we had mint for digestion and coriander as well. And we have 1 medium sliced tomato. Today I had 2 small, so I made 2 small tomatoes, and I have 4 green chili. This dish we are not going to be adding any red chili powder, so because we need the spice, I've added 4 green chilies. So for the dry ingredients and also the oil and I put it in a separate plate here. I'm going to be saying in the order that I'm going to put it on the hot pan. I have oil. Then I'm going to add ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon, half a spoon of turmeric powder, 2 spoons of coriander powder, 1 tablespoon of garam masala, and salt for your taste. So this is the order. It's going to go on the hot pan. And the end, I'm going to add lemon juice along. You can even substitute lemon juice with vinegar, but I prefer going with lemon juice. So I'm going to use 2 tablespoons of lemon juice with this ingredient today. Now let's start grinding the leaves. Put the whole bunch of fenugreek leaf into the mixing bowl. Then the coriander leaf. Then the whole bunch of mint leaf into the mix. And then the tomato, green chilies, and water. 1 cup of water. This is how it looks once you complete the grinding. You check if it's all done well, so you see that it's grinded well. So now let's start making the chicken dish. Okay, now let's put the oil in the pan, hot cooker. 100 ml of oil in the cooker. And let's put the chicken in there on the hot oil. Let the chicken fry a bit before we start adding the next ingredient. I'm going to add the ginger garlic paste. 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Mix it well and wait until the ginger garlic paste, the rawness of the paste, disappears. Half a spoon of turmeric powder. Mix well. Two teaspoons of coriander powder. 1 spoon of garam masala powder. This is home prepared garam masala powder. And salt as per your taste. I'm using 1 spoon of salt. Mix them all well. I would like to add 2 spoons of lemon juice. Mix it well again. Now let's go ahead and add our grinded fenugreek and mint leaf mixtures into the cooker. Mix it all together. Pour close the cooker and allow it to cook for 2 whistles. So I'm opening the cooker. Chicken is cooked really well, you can see. So I've served the Methi curry hot and spicy. Taste the dish and let us know how you like it. For more interesting and easy recipes, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.